Alright. So mga wala pa yung invites nila, sabihan nyo na sila para makapasok na sa Zoom natin because we're about to start with our presentation. And for those na mga team natin na wala pa dito, tell them to come in now because we're about to start. By the way, dun sa mga affiliate members po, make sure that you attend this presentation again and again and again and again. Yes, it's paulit-ulit, pare-pareho yung sinasabi. Pero every time po that another presenter is presenting it, it comes differently. And every time na maririnig mo the same presentation, iba yung message na marireceive mo. Alright? And you become expert as well. You become expert of the business, na-strengthen lalo yung conviction mo that the best you are in the right business. You are we have the right products, we have the great company. So mas mapapagaan po yung paggawa nyo ng Live Good business. All right? And for those who are new here, for those who are guests, welcome po. Before I start, I usually say, have an open mind. Lahat naman talaga sinasabi yun. Pero eto po, sa totoo lang, kakaiba talaga yung maririnig nyo ngayong gabi. This is going to be a different business presentation. This is a totally different concept. And please, tanggalin nyo muna yung alam ko na yan attitude because you're going to be surprised on what you're going to hear. All right. So, okay, so tuloy na natin. I'm just going to share my screen. There you go.
This meeting is being recorded.
All right. Good evening, everyone, and welcome once again to our business presentation of Live Good. And here we are again, another Wednesday night, and I'm Mon Reyes. I'm here to present to you our business. Kasi sa Live Good, kikita ka o yayaman ka. If you want to know how, then stay tuned. All right? Before I start, maybe I'll introduce myself for those who don't know me yet. My name is Mon Reyes. I'm a Live Good business coach. Okay? Napagdaanan ko na po lahat. I'm a real estate broker and a registered nurse by profession. Pero napagdaanan ko na po lahat. I used to be an employee before. As an employee, alam niyo naman yan, As an employee, talagang 2 hours kang babiyahe, 8 hours kang mag-work, and then another 2 hours going back to your house. So talagang basically 12 hours, 14 hours kang wala sa bahay. So yes, tuloy mo pa rin ginagawa yan eh. You continuously do this. I continuously did that kasi nga merong kinsenas at katapusan na salaring inaasahan. Okay? So, ang problema sa pagiging employee, bukod sa maliit ang sweldo, okay, and limited talaga yung salary, is nawawalan ka ng time sa family mo. Or even if malaki yung sweldo mo, actually the higher your salary is, the lesser time you have for your family. Diba? Can you relate to that? So, ayun po. I don't have time for my family anymore. So, and at the same time, hindi rin ganun kaganda yung salary. So, I decided to become an OFW naman. As OFW naman, talaga mas lalo ka mangungulila sa family mo. Kasi 11 months akong wala sa Pilipinas. 1 month lang po yung bakasyon ko dito. 15 days pag-aasikaso pa ng dokumento. So, ano nangyayari? Talagang wala. Talagang mananabik ka makasama yung family mo. Okay, so shout out sa lahat ng OFW na alam ko how much you're struggling about this and saludo po ako sa inyo. I honor you guys. Nag-OFW ako for 4 years lang kasi hindi ko po kayang makita yung anak kong lumalaki nang wala ako. Alright? So, nag-retire ako from being an OFW. I went back to the Philippines and I started the business. So, nag-entrepreneur naman ako. Okay, as a business person, maganda po. Maganda yung kita as a business person. And totoo din, hawak mo yung oras mo. However, may flip side yan. Ibig sabihin, anytime pwede ka rin magtrabaho. I remember when I was in business, when I was in the traditional business, I remember delivering my products to my client at 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. So yes, maganda yung kita, pero magsasuffer naman katawan mo, yung health mo. Right? And doing all of this, isa lang napansin ko, hindi siya nakakatupad ng pangarap. Hindi talaga siya makakatupad ng pangarap. No matter how hard you work, no matter how much time you give, hindi matutupad yung pangarap mo. Yes, you'll get by. You can send your kids to school. Pero yung talagang mga pangarap mo. Kaya ang dami na pong mga pangarap na kinalimutan na dahil sa hirap ng buhay. Alright? And that's the reason why I decided to do Live Good full-time. Now, I'm a full-time affiliate, mentor, and coach in Live Good. Yan na lang po ginagawa ko. Sinet aside ko na po lahat ng ibang mga sources of income ko, but I'm now focused on Live Good. Alright? Why? Simple lang po. Kasi sa Live Good, nagkaroon ako ng vision. Dito, nabuhay uli yung mga pangarap ko nung bata ako. Kasi nakita ko na with Live Good, with what Live Good is offering me, kaya pong tumupad ng mga pangarap natin. Alright? That's my story. That's my story. We all have different story. But this presentation is not about me. Okay? It's about you. This presentation is about you. Kasi pwedeng ito kayo, you can be a single parent. Diba? Hindi na nga magkasya yung sweldo mo. Ang problema mo naman, paano mo pag-aaralin yung mga anak mo when they started to go to college. Diba? Ang hirap isipin. Kasi finances yan eh. And ang magsasuffer yung anak mo. When it comes to family, all people talaga, hindi kayang tiisin ng pamilya. Alright? If finances is your struggle, then Live Good is for you. Or baka OFW ka, like me before. Nangungulila ka sa family mo. Ayan nga, every time talaga na sa airport, may umaalis na OFW. Grabe yung eksena dyan. Okay? Talagang iyakan blues dyan. And alam mo naman eh, kasi alam nilang matagal mawawala yung padre de pamilya sa kanila. It's either the father or the mother. So talagang alam nila na mangungulila na naman sila. If that is your problem, then Live Good is for you. Okay, o baka naman starting ka pa lang sa career mo, napansin mo, overwork ka, underpaid. And at the same time, nung nakita mo yung salary mo, alam mong hindi mabubuhay yung pamilya mo. Hindi ka nga kayang buhayin magpamilya pa, di ba? You're young. You want significance in life, di ba? So, asan na yun? If you want brighter future, if you want talagang brighter, clearer future, then Live Good is for you. O baka naman nasa golden age ka na, medyo retiring age, or retired ka na talaga. Ang problema mo ngayon, saan ka nakukuha ng panggastos mo? Kasi wala ka ng income eh. Wala na yung inaasahan mong income back when you were working. Kanino ka aasa sa SSS? Well, good luck. I know somebody, ito lang, may na-meet kami before, lately lang, this week lang, may na-meet kami, 25 years siya nag-contribute sa SSS. Magkano pension niya? 7,000 monthly. 7,000 po, hindi na po kaya bumuhay ng tao ang 7,000 na pension. Okay? Or kanino ka? Sa charity ka aasa? Sa pamilya mo? Huwag naman sana, no? So if that is your problem, if you want a secured future, then Live Good is for you. Why? Because Live Good is the solution to all our struggles. Nakita niyo yung pictures kanina, di ba? Mga miserable. Ano mas gusto niyo? Yung kaninang situation o ito, mga masasayang tao kasama yung mga pamilya nila, enjoying their life. Why? Because they have freedom. Alright? Because Live Good can actually offer us passive income for life. And that is what we need. Imagine, kahit sabihin mong humaba pa yung buhay natin, talagang so long as we're sure na may pumapasok na income sa atin every month, passive income, kahit hindi na tayo nag-work, may pumapasok pa ring income, then definitely, wala na tayong struggles, wala na tayong stress. Just to give you an idea, passive income is actually an income generated with minimal or no participation in the business at all. Kahit wala kang gawin, kikita ka. Ganun lang kasimple yan. Alright? Baka naman sabihin nyo, Coach Mon, lahat naman ng companies, pinapangako yan eh. Maganda buhay mo, mababayaran mo lahat ng utang mo, ito na yung turnaround mo, matutupad mo mga pangarap mo. Ano pinagkaiba ni Live Good? So what makes Live Good different? I'm telling you now, dito po kasi sa Live Good, unlike any other companies, dito sa Live Good, wala pong overpriced products. Napakagaganda ng quality ng mga products natin, much better than what they're offering, pero yung presyo natin napakababa. Kasi yung presyo natin, we can actually give our products at almost manufacturing price. Ganyan po kababa. Imagine, yung iba, yung ibang products, let's say $100 mo binibili. Since sa atin, mas maganda na yung quality, you can buy for $18 only. Alright? And here, no huge cash out to join. Ito sa ibang company, hinuhuli yan eh. Pagdating doon sa, paano mag-join? Huli sa presentation nila yan. Kasi imagine, kailangan ka munang i-hype eh. Kailangan ka muna talagang maging excited eh. Kasi biglang sasabihin sa'yo, to join, you need 18,000, 60,000. Dito po, wala na. Wala nang huge cash out to join kasi hindi ka namin pipilitin bumili ng package ng products. Here, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, you only need $49.95 to join Live Good. At ang maganda niyan, yung $40 dyan, one time nyo lang babayaran. Di ba? Ganon siya kagaan. Magkano yung $49.95? Wala pa pong 3,000 yan. It's not 18,000, it's not 60,000, it's less than 3,000. And then no more huge monthly auto ship requirement. Ano yan? Yan yung monthly na kailangan mong biling package para lang makuha mo yung commission mo. Wala na po yan. Ang kailangan mo lang dito, mag-remain as member by paying your subscription for only $9.95. Kasi nga one-time fee lang yung 40 eh. So natira dun sa $49.95, $9.95. So yun na lang yung monthly mo. And you pay that as your subscription. And when you pay subscription, you will get value out of the money you're giving. Alright? And here, no rank ups based on volume. Sa ibang company po kasi, talagang kailangan nilang i-push yung kanilang mga products. Why? Kasi doon nila kinikita. Doon sila kumikita eh. At doon nila kinukuha yung mga pambayad nila sa mga expenses. Here, so their rank ups is based on volume. Dito po hindi. Napakadali pong mag-rank up dito. In fact, dito 36% of newly joined members rank up on their first week. So yan po. Yung mga guests natin dito, the moment you join, when you join tonight, by next week, ina-expect natin magra-rank up na kayo. Kasi mamaya papakita ko kung gaano kadali mag-rank up. So you are not forced to buy products here. Kaya dito, no selling, no quota. You're not forced to buy products. You buy what you want and when you want to buy. Pero sinasabi ko sa inyo, sa ganda ng produkto, saka sa ganda ng benefit na makukuha nyo on your health, definitely gugustuhin mo na may produkto ka parati sa bahay mo. And here, no more back to zero. Ano naman yung back to zero? Yan po yung kinakatakutan ng mga distributors ng ibang company. Pagpalitan na ng buwan. Kasi alam nila, lahat ng pinagtrabahuhan nila ng buwan na yon, pag nag-change month na, back to zero sila. Mabubura lahat yon. Ano mangyayari? They're going to be back from an ordinary distributor. And then they'll work again for that month para mag-rank up sila, para makuha nila yung malalaking commission nila. So imagine that, ang tawag ko doon, job, trabaho. Kasi monthly mong ginagawa eh. Dito simple lang. For everything, for all your effort you put in Live Good, you would be paid for. Hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng mga qualification. You don't need to buy anything. And here, kung ano yung production mo this month, maki-carry over the following month. Ganun siya. Kasi talagang everybody stays in Live Good. Alright? Kaya nga Live Good is revolutionizing the industry. The question is, are you ready for the revolution? Alright? So with that, I just want you to listen to this or watch this video by our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Dito po ipapaliwanag niya kung ano si Live Good, bakit si Live Good na iba, at bakit gugustuhin mong sumali sa Live Good. Okay? So let's watch this.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the Powerline. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the Powerline. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
Yes, see you at the top. Ayan. Nakita nyo na how Live Good differs. Talagang kakaiba sa Live Good. Kaya dito kaya nating ibagsak yung mga presyo ng health products natin. Kasi hindi tayo product-centered. We have adopted a different business model. Ano yung sinabi ni Ben Glinsky? Buyers Club model. Meron tayong exclusive Buyers Club business model. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Meaning lahat tayo magiging member ng exclusive club. Tayo lang yung magkakaroon ng access dito sa mga products. High quality products, and tayo lang ang mabibigyan nila ng members price. As I described it, almost manufacturer's price. Okay? Kaya po ibang-iba talaga si Live Good in terms of its business concept, in terms of how it do the business. Kaya po, tanggalin nyo na muna yung alam ko na yan attitude nyo at makinig kayong maigi dito sa presentation na to. Alright? Remember, we are on an exclusive Buyers Club model or membership club. Yun yung pinakamadaling tandaan dyan. Tayo nasa membership club. Question, familiar ka ba sa membership club? Okay, baka kasi hindi. Let me show you some of the popular membership clubs out there. Meron tayo yan, Amazon Prime. Si Amazon Prime, yung mga members niya, ang binibigay lang ni Amazon, ang value na binibigay ni Amazon doon sa mga members niya is makaka-access sila doon sa online store nila whereby they can buy the products at wholesale price. Discount din po. Magkano china-charge nila? $14.99 per month or $139 per year. Pretty much the same with Sam's Club. Si Sam's Club naman nasa $50 or $110 per year. Depende dun sa pinili mong kumbaga card. Alright? Netflix is different kasi si Netflix, ang value naman na binibigay niya sa mga members niya, sa mga subscribers niya is unlimited watching of movies and shows. Yan. Pero hindi po libre yan. Okay, babayaran natin yan. $9.99, $15.49, or $19.99. Depende dun sa package na pinili mo. Okay? Disney Channel, pretty much the same, Disney Premium. Yun nga lang, mas focus siya sa Disney shows, of course. Okay? Magkano yan? $10.99 or $109.99 per year. Okay? Ngayon, dito sa mga club na to, napansin nyo, may binabayaran yung mga members, ang tawag doon subscription. And the moment they fail to pay their subscription, tanggal po yung value na binibigay sa kanila ng mga club na yan. Tanggal yung access nila sa movies, tanggal yung discount nila, tanggal yung access nila doon sa store whereby they can buy wholesale price. Di ba? Now, if I can compare Live Good with any of this membership club, siguro pinakamalapit na si Costco. Ang difference lang, si Costco more of a physical store. Costco charges $120 per year for its membership. Ano naman binibigay niya? Ganon din po. Bibigyan ka ng ID card para pag pinakita mo sa guard, papayagan kang pumasok dun sa Costco store. Pagpasok mo dun sa loob, dun ka na makakabili ng mga products na napakababa ng presyo. Okay, but from what I've heard, medyo bulk pa rin yung ordering mo para ma-enjoy mo talaga yung wholesale price. Ano? So, same with Live Good. Si Live Good, as a member, you get access to the online shop na dun ka mamimili ng mga products, ng mga health products na pinakita ko kanina. Ang gaganda ng quality pero napakababa ng presyo, napakababa ng member's price. Ang maganda nito, kay Live Good may add-on pa. Kasi meron tayong online shop na pwede nating ibigay dun sa mga kilala natin who just wants to buy the products at retail. Mamaya i-explain ko yan. Okay, so yan yung in-adapt nating business model, club membership model. Okay, just to tell you, malaking industriya po yan. Malaking industriya po yung membership club tsaka subscription. Pakita ko sa inyo, pinakamagandang example ng subscription itong Zoom. Kasi itong Zoom, binabayaran po natin to. Kung kinuha natin yung libre, kanina pa tayo tapos. Di ba? However, since binabayaran natin to, actually yung 100 participants for Zoom, it's around $14. And $14, because of the benefits we're getting from Zoom, kayang-kayang bayaran niya ng kahit sino. Ito medyo malaki na to because we're catering to 1,000 participants. Pero binabayaran natin yan. The moment na hindi tayo magbayad, guess what? Tanggal din po yung access na to. Tanggal din po yung benefit na to. Pero imagine, $14, madaling bunutin yan ng mga because of the benefits, kayang-kaya mong bayaran yan. Yet, ang kinita ni Zoom, sa dami ng subscribers kasi niya, ang kinita ni Zoom is $4.46 billion annual revenue. What about Netflix? Si Netflix po meron ng 238 million subscribers. Sa dami ng subscriber na nagbabayad ng magkano? $9.99? Siguro karamihan yan, $9.99 yung piniling package. Magkano kinita ni Zoom? $31.6 billion annual revenue. Ganyan po kalaki ang subscription business. Si Costco, 123 million subscribers. At halos lahat po nagbabayad ng kanilang mga membership fee or ng kanilang mga subscription. Bakit? Kasi meron silang nare-receive na value by paying their subscriptions. Alright, magkano kinita ni Costco on membership fee alone, wala pa yung benta nila sa mga products. $4.2 billion in 1 year. Ganyan po kalaki ang mga subscription at mga membership club. Yung industriya yan, napakalaki po niyan. So bakit ko po sinasabi to? Kasi ang good news sa inyo, si Live Good po is a membership club. And Live Good, we pay our Live Good membership fee through subscription. So if this is their present now, ito po yung magiging future ni Live Good. In fact, mas magiging malaki si Live Good as compared to these other companies. Why? Because Live Good is a membership club that pays. You can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. Yes, you heard me right. Whether or not you refer other people to the program, you can earn money. Pero I'm going to show you later na mas maganda if you're sharing the value that you are receiving from Live Good to others. Sabi nga nila, 'di ba? When you receive something of great value, it is your obligation to share it to as many as you can. Kaya yun po ang gawin yung goal. Huwag niyong gawing goal na maghintay lang mapuno yung matrix niyo at magsimulang kumita. Alright? Gawin yung goal na talagang mag-invite ng tao, mag-share nung value na kukuha nyo sa Live Good, i-share nyo sa kamag-anak nyo, sa kaibigan nyo, sa mga kakilala nyo. Alright? So who is Live Good? Live Good, actually, we were launched last December 13, globally launched last December 13, 2022 with an exclusive buyer's membership business model. Okay? And our head office is located in Jupiter Park Drive, Jupiter, Florida, USA. Yes, nasa USA po yung company natin. So if you're going to look for legalities, might as well mag-search kayo sa website ni Florida. Kasi doon po makikita nyo, very transparent sila. Makikita nyo yung list ng mga companies that they have, and they would even give you certification if you need. Okay, ayan po. Sinearch ko lang po yan sa Chrome. Sinearch ko lang po yan. Tinignan ko yung state of Florida. And then nakita natin yan. And now I'm sharing it to you. Okay? Kasi po ang dami nagtatanong, meron bang SEC yan? Meron bang ganito yan? Meron bang ganito yan? Wala po. Kasi wala naman tayong office dito sa Philippines. Our office is in the USA. Therefore, ang nagre-regulate na government sa atin is USA. However, we can operate globally kasi we are online. Our business platform is online. Kaya pwede tayong maka-reach anywhere in the world. Alright? And who are the people behind Live Good? Ito po, pakilala ko sa inyo. Yung kaninang narinig yung boses, nag-voice over do sa video, that's Mr. Ben Glinsky. He is our CEO. What we love most about Ben is that he leads by example. His focus is on helping others. And That's the only reason that Live Good was created. In fact, si Ben Glinsky po, retired na yan. Naging successful na po yan sa industriya natin. But he decided to go back. Kasi napansin niya, iilan lang talaga yung nagsasucceed sa industriya. And he wants everyone to succeed, just as he did. Kaya nga po nung bumalik siya, talagang eto na, pinanganak na si Live Good. He has over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional space. Ben knows how to help people win. And that's an advantage for us because he is really helping us win. If you could only listen to him sa mga webinars niya, sa mga Zoom meetings niya, talagang makikita mo yung kindness, tsaka yung humility ng heart niya, tsaka yung passion niya to help people win. And then what he did, he formed a group of champions. Champions dun sa kani-kanilang mga field. Number one is Dr. Ryan Goodkin. Dr. Ryan Goodkin has a doctorate of pharmacy and a degree in science and nutrition. Dalawang science po pinagsama niya para makakame up siya ng mga products natin. He is actually our product formulator. Ang maganda niyan, sinabi niya mismo, I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use. It's a great advantage for us because no person would give his family something that would harm them. Right? Kaya assured tayo talaga that when we start using the products of Live Good, talagang hindi po tayo makaharm, napakaganda pa ng quality. Right? Kaya talagang hindi lang natin tinitignan kung ano yung mga pumapasok dun sa mga products natin, pati kung ano yung dapat wala. Diba? Mga harmful ingredients, tinanggal lahat yan. Mga metals, kung yung mga chemicals, tanggal na po yan. Alright? Now, partnered with Lisa Goodkin naman, they're the ones in charge of the products. Si Lisa Goodkin naman is more on the product education. She has a master in holistic yung approach niya when it comes to wellness. She's a wellness coach, tapos yun nga, holistic. So she's not just going to educate us about the products of Live Good. She's also going to educate us about exercise, sleeping habit, kasi ang passion naman niya to make everybody happy. And then Nodar Kazan. Nodar Kazan is our director of network marketing. Sa kanya po nanggaling yung the days of selling overpriced products. So a few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Siya po yung actually nag-convince kay Ben Glinsky to come back to the industry and start Live Good. Nodar Kazan is considered as a legend in the industry. He's been training people since 1998, training leaders. Okay, yung iba nagsisimula pa lang siya, nagte-train na ng mga leaders. Ganyan po kaganda yan. At nakita niya po lahat. He has seen the good, the bad, the ugly, and the disgusting in our industry. And when they started Live Good, tinanggal na po niya yung bad, ugly, and disgusting. Tapos yung good, lalo pa niyang pinaganda. Alright? Kaya nga po ito, the champions of their own field because we believe that true leadership creates true success. And look at the mission of Live Good, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune doing it. Kasi alam nila yan that health is very important right now, especially after what we've been through, yung pandemic. Na-realize na ng mga tao, kailangan nating maging healthy. However, since mahal yung mga health products, iniisang tabi natin. But Live Good, with its mission, has come up with a way for us to be healthy and not spend a fortune doing it. It's called change and it's time to make a change. Okay? 1 minute lang po. Iinom lang ako. Second lang pala. Alright. So moving forward, let's talk about the Live Good products. Actually, just to give you an idea, since we are on a membership club, ang pinaka-produkto natin is the membership club. When we become the member of Live Good, then we get access to these products. Yan. We have over 20 premium quality life-changing health products for now. We're starting with that. But we're always adding products to our portfolio, and soon there will be 200 or even more products in our online shop. Okay? So padagdag lang po ng padagdag yan. But right now, we have over 20 premium quality life-changing products. And it's true, it's really life-changing. If you could only listen to the testimonies of products user, talaga maririnig mo kung paano na bago yung buhay nila. Alright? Now, our raw ingredients, from raw ingredients pa lang, sinasala na, imagine. Raw ingredients from the most pristine location in the planet. Tapos, pag na-collect na yung mga raw ingredients na yan, dadaan yan sa world-class manufacturing facilities. Everything is made in USA, approved by GMP. GMP po, Good Manufacturing Practices, yan po, napakataas ng standard yan bago siya mag-approve. Talagang kinikilatis niya yung company, yung processes, everything. And all our products are approved by them. Alright? Lab tested for purity and potency, and we offer certificate of analysis. Third party certifying our products just to show kung ano po yung nasa loob ng mga products natin. So we're very transparent with this. Alright? And we are available in over 200 countries. I'm not saying that we have warehouses in all these countries. What I'm saying is the moment you order online and paid for your order, ipapack na po ni Live Good yan, isi-ship na po yan. And here in the Philippines, we're lucky kasi yung pinaka shipping partner who delivers the products from US to the Philippines is DHL. Very reliable at napakababa po ng shipping fee. For other countries, nagdi-deliver sa kanyan, another very good courier, USPS. Right? So talagang dumarating po at dumarating yung mga products natin. Our products are ordered in the US and it arrives at your doorsteps. Alright? So that's about our products. Kasi dito, napakaganda ng quality talaga ng mga products natin. Pero magugulat ka sa presyo kasi napakababa talaga ng presyo. Almost manufacturing price nga kung paano ko i-describe. Kasi at Live Good, you always get the highest quality products at the lowest possible prices. Because since we are not product-centered company, kaya natin gawin yan. Yung ibang companies, hindi po kayang gawin yan. Mamaya ipapaliwanag ko kung bakit. Okay? Because here in Live Good, it's not about overpriced products, but about saving people money on health products. Right? Kaya nga ganito na yung scenario. We're actually changing the industry. Kasi just to give you an idea, and traditional practice sa industry, talagang matataas or mahal yung mga produkto nila. Bakit? Kasi yung mga produkto nila, doon nila kinukuha yung pambayad nila sa warehouse, sa country manager, sa mga staff. Even dun sa mga top earners nila, yung mga kumikita ng 1 million a month, 2 million a month, 3 million a month, palagay nyo, saan kinukuha yung pambayad doon? Doon sa presyo ng produkto, kaya kailangan nilang pataasin yan. Ang masama nito, pag hindi gumalaw yung products nila, hindi rin sila kikita, wala rin silang pambayad. So what do? They force their distributors to buy their products. Yes. I'm sorry, that's a sad reality, pero totoo po yan. Kaya meron tayong monthly qualifier, tapos bago ka mag-join, kailangan ka bumili ng product package. Tinanggal na po ni Live Good lahat yan. Ang tawag nga pala dyan, price gouging. Okay? And it's a common practice to other companies. Kaya yun yung gusto natin tanggalin, yung price gouging. Yung pagkakarga ng lahat ng kailangan gastusin ng company doon sa product, sa presyo ng products. Right? Kaya nga nasabi ni Nodar Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so few people at the top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Which is true. In price gouging companies, iilan lang po talaga yung talagang nagtatap sa companies nila. Yung iba getting by lang. Ang statistics nga, 95% hindi kumikita o lugi pa. Dun sa 5%, yung 4%, bawi-bawi lang. And most of the time, products pa yung napupunta sa kanila, hindi pera. Ang pinaka kumikita lang na malaking halaga dito, dun sa traditional way, is the 1%. Ganun lang po siya kaliit. Alright? And we're putting a stop to that. Kaya nga ito, yung sa illustration, David and Goliath. Yes, David, maliit lang tayo kasi bago lang tayo. We started December. And then Goliath, yan yung mga malalaking company na, mga 25 years, 30 years in existence, and they practicing price gouging. Price gouging. So we want to put a stop to that. At nararamdaman na nila tayo, kaya galit na galit sila. O, ba't mo binababa yung presyo? Malulugi kami. Di ba? So ayan po. So we're going to put an end to that. Just to give you an idea, ito, pakita natin yung mga price comparison, Si ating collagen. Other collagens only have collagens. Pero dito, dinagdagan pa ng ating Genius Doc Ryan Goodken, dinagdagan pa niya ng 3 other ingredients na talagang complementing dun sa effect ni collagen. But look at the prices, $79.96, $69.95 dun sa iba. Dito, if you buy it, if you buy our collagen in retail, you'll only pay for $34.95. Pag nag-member ka, yung value na makukuha mo, mas mababa mo mabibili yung mga produkto. $27.95 na lang. Alright? Ano pa? Ito, another example is our coffee. Kung naghahanap, organic weight loss coffee nga Kasi itong coffee to talagang nakakabusog pero hindi nakakataba. Alright? You'll get the same effect as coffee except dun sa panginginig. Wala nang jittery dito. Alright? Tapos yung mga kalaban natin, just imagine, $40.50, $35 each. Pero yung sa atin, mas maganda na yung quality, mas maganda pa yung effect sa katawan. Magkano lang? If you'll buy it at retail, $24.95. Pag member, $17.95. Diba? So why buy it at retail when you can buy it lower as a member? And magkano lang ba maging member? $9.95 monthly subscription lang ang kailangan mo. Makadalawang produkto ka lang, bawi na dun sa discount mo yung mga yung pang-subscribe mo Yung subscription mo, di ba? Here's another protein. Si protein naman, if you want your body to be lean, or if you want muscle toning, or even bodybuilding, kailangan mo to. Complete plant-based protein. Okay? Kalaban natin dyan, $59.99, $62.95. Sa atin at retail, $29.95. Pag member ka, $22 lang. The reason why I'm giving you a retail price and a member's price, kasi nga po, nabanggit ko kanina, if you become an affiliate of LiveGood, pwede po kayong magbenta at retail price. But if you're already a member, hindi nyo na kailangan bayaran yung retail price na yan. Kasi makukuha nyo yung products natin at member's price na sadyang mas mababa as compared sa retail price. Alright? I'm just showing you 3 of our products, but if you want to learn more about the products, you just visit livegood.com and then go to the products section, product button, i-click nyo yon. Andun po lahat ng products natin, doon nyo rin makikita yung certificate of analysis. Pag in-open nyo each product, merong learn more, makikita nyo kung ano yung gagawin ng product sa katawan natin. Alright? So nakita nyo, mababa na yung retail price, mas pinababa pa yung member's price. Kaya nga yun yung value ma-receive mo when you become a member of LiveGood. And magkano ba maging member ng LiveGood? $9.95 per month, or kung gusto mo makatipid, $99.95 per year. Nakatipid ka ng 2 buwan yan. Okay? Kasi covered yan 12 months na And as LiveGood member, you'll save up to 75% compared to the products in other direct selling companies. Actually, it's even more than 75% compared to other products. Sometimes yung price yung member's price natin, it's even 80% less. Yun yung value marireceive mo when you become a member of LiveGood. When you stay as a member of LiveGood, yun yung value mo. Pero kung gusto mo ng additional value, like kung gusto mong kumita dito sa LiveGood, pwede rin. Ito nga, alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita dito? Pwede kang kumita sa subscription. Yes, by becoming an affiliate member, continuing your subscription, you can actually earn from subscription. Yun yung tinatawag naming affiliate program. You become an affiliate member. Ano naman yung affiliate? Okay, let me explain. Si LiveGood po kasi, it's a direct selling company. Therefore, hindi siya nag-a-advertise, not on radio, not on TV, not on billboards, not on the internet. Wala po siyang advertisement. Pero sa company, kailangan siyang malaman ng maraming tao. Right? So, as an affiliate, yun po yung magiging trabaho natin or yun yung magiging job natin. Yun yung magiging referring partner tayo. We will be referring people to Live Good and we will be referring Live Good to other people. It's as simple as that. When you started enjoying the value that you're receiving as a member of Live Good, ikwento mo sa kaibigan mo, sa kapatid mo, sa kamag-anak mo, sa kakilala mo, sa ka-church mo, ka-work mo, ka-school mo, lahat ng kaano mo. Diba? Even hindi mo kakilala, pwede mo siyang i-share. Okay? Because as affiliate, you'll have the opportunity to earn with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Yes, as an affiliate, hindi lang po tayo gagamitin to share Live Good to others. Dito po, pwede kang kumita. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung ibang membership club companies kanina, di ba? Doon po, kahit i-share nyo sa maraming tao yon, ni singkong duleng wala kayong makukuha sa kanila. Pero dito, when you share Live Good to others, you will be compensated. Ganun lang po kasimple yan. Become an affiliate member by joining, and then you promote Live Good to others. You don't really need to promote. You just share to them. Kwentuhan mo lang sila kung paano ka na-excite, paano mo nagustuhan si Live Good. And when they find the value, talagang they themselves will join. Okay? And when you successfully refer people to Live Good, you would start earning. Alright? Ganun lang po kasimple yan. Yan yung additional value that you will receive when you become an affiliate member. So how do you become an affiliate member? Go back to the person who invited you or gave you this Zoom link. Pagbalik niyo sa kanya, hingin niyo yung sponsor link niya. Kasi doon po kayo magre-register. You register with your name and your email and then mag-lock in na rin kayo by paying. Magkano yung babayaran nyo? You pay an affiliate fee, a one-time affiliate fee of $40 plus a first month subscription of $9.95. So a total of $49.95. Di ba nung simula sinabi ko, to join Live Good, you only need $49.95. Yun na po yun. Ang maganda niyan, one-time fee lang po yung $40. So the following month, in order to remain a member of Live Good, you just need to pay $9.95. Okay, gawin nating peso. Magkano yung $49.95? Sinabi ko na po kanina, wala pa po 3,000 yan. Eh magkano naman yung monthly? $9.95, $9.95 na monthly subscription. That's only around 580 pesos. Makatipid ka ng 20 pesos a day. At the end of the month, may 600 ka. So may sukli ka pang 20. May sukli ka pang 20. Alright? Kung ano man yung mabibili mo sa 20, bilhin mo na. Kasi alam ko hindi ka na makakabili ng corneto sa 20 kasi 24 na siya. Alright? But it's that simple. It's a 20 peso a day business. Ganun lang po kasimple yon. So your question maybe is, ano naman makukuha ko out of the $49.95? Kasi doon sa ibang company, pag sinabing, oh, maglabas ka ng 60,000, makakakuha ka ng products worth 100,000. Dito po, you're not going to get products. The product that you are going to get is your membership club with Live Good. Your membership with Live Good. Okay? Now, as a member, you have the access to Live Good Membership Club, meaning you get to buy the products at the member's price or yung almost manufacturer's price. Ganun po siya kababa. You get to enjoy yung pinaka-lowest possible price ng mga products na available natin dun sa online shop natin. Now, as an affiliate, alam ni Live Good that you'll start promoting Live Good to others. So what Live Good did is binigyan ka ng mga tools, digital marketing products, tools, and trainings. They're all available for you to learn more about Live Good and for you to be able to do your business well. Right? And ang pinakamaganda, as an affiliate member, you get to participate in the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. In fact, if I would describe it, it's the most generous compensation plan in the industry. Now, ano yung mga tools na ibibigay ni Live Good? Here are 3 websites that I'm going to show you right now. Yung una nyo nakikita dyan sa upper left, that's your business site. Diyan nyo po i-monitor yung takbo ng business nyo. Di ba sinabi ko dito as an affiliate, you refer people to the program. So diyan yung makikita, sino na yung mga taong na-refer ko? Sino na yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer ko? Sino na yung mga taong na-refer nung na-refer ko? Importante po yan kasi dito sa Livegood, you don't only get paid on your own effort. You get paid on the effort of the people na dinala mo rito sa Livegood. Alright? Mamaya papaliwanag ko yan pagdating natin sa compensation plan. Ano pa? Itong number, ito namang nasa upper right na website, this is your Powerline landing page. Yan po yung ibibigay nyo dun sa mga taong gusto nyong maging kasama dito sa negosyo. Yung gusto nyong maging affiliate member din. Kung ba gusto nyong maging partner dito sa business. Kasi dyan nila makikita, ang bubungad sa kanila dyan, by the way, yung video ni Ben Glinsky explaining everything about Livegood. And then dyan din sila magre-register with their name and email. Now, pag kinlik na lang reserve my position now, pwede na silang dalhin dun sa website. They could have access to the website whereby dun sila pwedeng magbayad ng $49.95 nila. Paano binabayaran yung $49.95? You can actually pay via credit card. If you don't have credit card, you can also use your debit card so long as it's Mastercard or Visa. Okay? And then, you can also use cryptocurrency kung may alam ka naman sa cryptocurrency. And kung talagang wala ka nun mga yon, wala ka nun sa mga sinabi ko, you can always go back to the person who invited you and they could help you. Alright? Kasi meron pang other means to enroll people here. Alright? Ganun lang po kasimple yan. And then ito namang nasa baba, sinabi ko kanina, if there are people talaga who wants to buy the products but don't want to become member, ito po yung ibibigay nyo, yung shoplivegood.com/your username. Ano po yan? It's an online shop, para siyang Shopee o Lazada. Pero maganda niyan, personalize sa'yo. Ayun nga, may pangalan ko. May pangalan nyo sa taas. Welcome to the website of your name. Personalized, di ba? And then, dyan din makikita lahat ng products na available kay Livegood ngayon. At ang makikita nila dyan is the retail price. Ang maganda niyan, if you give out this site, tapos may bumili from this site, you would earn another income. Yung tinatawag nating retail commission. Okay? O yan, pinag-uusapan na natin, income. Are you excited to learn more? Diba? Kasi yan na po, ito naman talaga yung we're talking about business and business is really making money, right? And now we're here to talk about how to make money in subscription in Livegood. Okay, are you ready? Ready na po ba kayo? Are you excited? People from Pasig, I saw people from Palawan kanina. All right, if you're ready to hear about how to earn in Livegood, eto na po yan. Meron tayong tinatawag na compensation plan. And the compensation plan here in Livegood will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. Just to give you an idea, ano yung unilevel? Di ba sinabi ko kanina, as an affiliate member, magre-refer ka ng tao dito. Every successful referral that you make here in Livegood will fall in your level 1. I'm talking about the unilevel now, ha? Now, yung mga mare-refer nung na-refer nila, yun yung level 2 mo. Yung mare-refer nung na-refer nila, that would be your level 3. Why is it important? Because here, you get to be paid up to level 10 depending on your rank. Alright? Ang maganda pa nito, infinite wide to, meaning unlimited yung pwede mong ma-invite dito sa Livegood. You can refer as many people as you want here in Livegood and you will be compensated accordingly. Okay, so you remember that. That's our unilevel structure. Ano naman yung force matrix? By the name itself, dito po sa force matrix, this is system assigned. So talagang malalagyan at malalagyan ka ng tao sa ilalim mo pagdating dito sa force matrix. Paano po yan? Every person, dalawa lang ang ikakabit ni system. Sabi mo, pwede ako mag-invite unlimited number of people. Pwede ako mag-refer ng maraming tao. Tapos dalawa lang ikakabit sa akin. When it comes to the matrix, yes po. Dalawa lang. Every person would get 2. Okay? Saan manggagaling yan? Number 1 is galing sa'yo. Lahat ng nirefer mo, mapupunta sa matrix mo. So what will happen? Halimbawa, naka-refer ka ng 6 na tao. So what will the system do? Una, ikaw, lalagyan ka ng 2. And then tapos ka na. Paano na yung 4 pa? So what the system will do, yung 4 mo ikakabit dun sa mga nalagay sa'yo. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Ang tawag doon, spill over mo yon sa kanila. Spill over mo yon dun sa mga taong na punta sa ilalim mo. So remember, even if you become an affiliate member here, you'll have your own matrix, but we all belong to a big matrix, meaning may mga tao pa sa taas natin. When these people on top of us are doing the business, if they're doing the business, chances are makaka-receive din tayo ng spillover from them. There are chances na magkakaroon tayo ng mga spillover from them. So yung mga tao sa matrix mo, manggagaling number 1 sa iyo, posible siyang ma-spill over from the people na nasa taas mo, or yung mga napunta sa ilalim mo, sa matrix mo and decided to do the business, lahat po kasi na may invite nila, mapupunta sa matrix nila. And since they are inside your matrix, part pa rin sila ng matrix mo. Okay? Are we good? And malinaw naman yung dalawang ano. Kasi importante yan. Why? Because here, you can actually earn monthly or you can earn weekly and monthly. Hindi ko na po tatanungin kung ano gusto nyo kasi alam ko pipiliin nyo naman. Siyempre, kumita na ng weekly, kumita pa ng monthly. Di ba? Kasi here in Live Good, we have 7 ways to earn. The reason na meron tayong dalawang structure, gagamitin po yan pang-compute kung magkano yung kikitain natin. Yung uni-level natin, dyan i-base yung weekly fast start tsaka yung retail commission. Doon sa force matrix naman, i-base yung matrix commission natin. If you notice, meron nasa gitna yung matching bonus kasi yung matching bonus na yan parang hybrid. Ipagko-combine yung uni-level tsaka yung matrix to be able to compute kung magkano yung matching bonus mo. And when I start discussing about this matching bonus, pakinggan nyo po maigi kasi yung sinabi kong tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo, yan po yan. Yan pong income stream na yan ang tutupad sa mga pangarap nyo. Meron pa tayong mga ibang means to earn dito like influencer bonus, diamond pool bonus, and crown diamond pool bonus. Okay? Let's start now with our weekly. Weekly fast start for those who share Live Good. Kasi meron mga tao kasi na they joined Live Good but they're having a hard time sharing. So hindi sila possible na busy pa sila sa work nila. Busy pa sila sa other activities. So hindi sila nakakapag-share. Now, if you want to earn weekly, you share Live Good to others. Because here, you get unlimited income from every successful enrollee who pays $49.95. Okay, let me show you. Diba? To be able to become an affiliate member, first thing you do is you join. So to join, you pay your $49.95. And then you start promoting. Now, every time you successfully refer people here, ano yung successfully refer people? Meaning yung mga na-refer mo, nagbayad din ng $49.95 nila. Okay, every person na magbabayad na $49.95 na galing sa'yo, Live Good will pay you $25 or 50%. So just imagine, for example, mag-join ka ngayon and then kumuha ka kagad ng 2 bukas. The following week, since 25 plus 25 is 50, the following week, nakuha mo na yung $50. What does that mean? Meaning yung nilabas mong $49.95, bumalik na sa'yo. At ano gagawin mo? Yung 2 kinuha mo, ganun lang din sabihin mo. Gusto mo mabalik yung $49.95 mo, kumuha ka kagad ng $50. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Ang maganda nito, meron tayong bonus up to level 10. Sinabi ko nga kanina, hindi ka lang dito i-compensate doon sa effort mo, pati yung effort ng mga nakuha mong tao dito, babayaran ka pa rin ni Live Good. Pero yung excuse me, yung bonus natin up to level 10, it's going to depend on your rank. So let's now talk quickly about ranking. Kasi when you join LiveGood naman, i-explain naman sa inyo to. Just a short discussion lang, okay? We all start here as unranked, meaning wala pa tayong successful referral or magkaroon man, iisa lang. Okay, you're considered unranked then. Now, if you were able to successfully refer 2 people, you become bronze. Kasi yun lang po ang qualification to become bronze. You personally enroll 2 people. Paano naman yung silver? Si silver naman, you need 10 personally enrolled people or 3 direct bronze rank with 20 active members. Ang importante po dito, yung 20 active members. Now, to have that 20 active members, apart from having 20 active members, kailangan mo, dun sa yung tatlong leg mo, at least dun sa tatlong leg mo, meron kang tagi sa isang bronze or meron kang 10 personally enrolled. Alright? Now, you can move up to gold level naman. Si gold naman, ang kailangan lang 30 personally enrolled or 3 direct na silver rank. Pero ang importante, kailangan in your whole organization, whether galing sa iyo, galing doon sa mga na sponsor mo dito or galing doon sa mga na-sponsor nila, kailangan umabot ng 100 active members. Ano ibig sabihin ng active members? These are the ones paying $9.95 subscription. Alright? And then you move up to becoming a platinum. Platinum just requires you 100 personally enrolled or 3 direct gold ranks with 500 active members. And then you become diamond. Si diamond naman, 3 direct platinum rank with 2,500 active members. Okay, meron pa pong ibang means dyan. Like instead of having 3 platinum, you could actually have 5 directs with 500 each. With 500 active members each. So that's a total of 2,500 barem. Alright? And then, when you finally become diamond, you can move up to becoming a crown diamond. Si crown diamond naman, 50,000 active members. Baka nanunula kayo, sabihin nyo, reachable pa ba yan? Yes po. Yes po. In fact, tayo less than 6 months, may naka-reach niyang 50,000 active members na yan. Crown diamond na siya. And here in the Philippines, meron na po tayong crown diamond. We have 2 in the world. The first is Tim Miller, who's in the USA. And the second crown diamond in the world is a Filipino. None other than our very Coach Fernand Santiago. Alright? So reachable po yan. All you need to do is do what they did. Ang maganda niyan, they're willingly sharing how they did it. Okay? So bakit importante mag-rank up? Let me show you. Kanina, di ba yung weekly fast start, sabi ko, babayaran ka ng $25 for every successful referral. Ang maganda nito, pwede ka pambayaran up to level 10 depending on your rank. Okay? Ayan, if you're unranked, you'll be paid only dun sa mga mare-refer mo, $25. Alright? Pero once na maging bronze ka, babayaran ka na up to second level. Pag nag-silver ka, up to 4th level. Pag nag-gold ka, up to 6. Pag platinum, up to 8. Pag diamond, up to 10th level. Magkano yung ibibigay sa'yo? Ayan po. $25 on your first level. Tapos yung first level na yan, meaning yung mga directly na sponsor mo, if they decide to do the business and sponsor people themselves, you still get $5 for every successful referral that they make. Okay? And so on and so forth hanggang sa umabot ka sa level 10. Kaya maganda pong nagda-diamond dito kasi you can earn unlimited direct enrollees based on ranks. Mag-unlimited sponsor. Mag-unlimited number of sponsor ka. Tapos lahat sila paggalawin mo, paggawin mo yung business, sabi mo mag-sponsor din sila. Imagine how many people are there in your organization. Lahat yon hindi mo nakilala, basta nagtatrabaho, kikita ka pa rin. So long as nandun pa sa loob ng level 10 at umabot ka na ng diamond. Alright? Ngayon, ano pa yung level 10? Another dito sa level 10 is yung retail commission. Remember, sinabi ko kanina, si retail commission, binibase din yan sa uni-level. Okay, si retail commission, you get percentage commission on the difference between members price and retail price. For example, yung retail price mo is $20, pero yung member's price, if you become a member, you only need to pay $10. So there's a difference of $10. 50% po nun mapupunta sa inyo. Kung sa inyo kumuha, kung doon sa online shop mo, kumuha yung nagbayad ng retail, you get 50% nung difference nung retail price tsaka member's price. Again, up to level 10 yan, depending on your rank. Okay? So sa level 1, may $50 ka. Pag yung mga people whom you brought here, yung mga sponsor mo, they decided to do the retail as well. Every successful retail sales they make, you still get $10 when you're bronze. And so on and so forth, up to level 10 when you reach diamond. Alright? So yan po, yan yung pinaka on the nutshell ng retail commission, how the retail commission works. Okay? Kaya maganda rin po gawin yan. Talagang pag medyo finocus niyan, may kita at may kita pa rin po sa pagre-retail. Ang maganda nito, pag isa kang influencer, may extra bonus ka pa. In fact, you could actually receive the whole 100% depending on the number of sales you make in a month. Ano po ba yung influencer? Sila po yung mga sikat na sa TikTok tsaka sa YouTube, meaning may mga followers na sila. And when I say followers, since influencer sila, lahat ng sabihin nila, sinusunod ng followers nila. So, depende sa volume ng sales ang maganda nito, pag umabot ng 50,000 yung monthly retail sales mo, ibibigay na yung buong kita sa'yo. 100%. Kasi dadagdagan, yung 50% na supposed to be na-receive mo, dadagdagan pa ng additional 50. So yung difference between the retail price and the member's price will go to you. Alright? Okay, so that's our retail commission. That's our fast start bonus. Very simple lang po. The key here is talagang mag-sponsor kayo. Bring people to the program. Okay, now we also have monthly matrix commission. Yung iba kasi, ito yung hinahantay But I'm telling you, ito yung pinakamaliit na kitaan dito. Ayan, in fact, you can earn up to $2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. Now, people are very much enticed with that. Sino ba naman ang hindi magugustuhan yan? Pero I'm telling you, this was actually designed para dun sa mga hindi makakasuccessfully refer. Hindi dun sa hindi talaga magre-refer. Halimbawa, you're doing the business naman kaso hindi ka talaga makapag-refer. Don't worry kasi kikita at kikita ka pa rin. Kaya yung first slide ko dito, kikita ka or yayaman ka. Alright? Kasi tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Mag-refer ka pa rin na mag-refer. Mag-refer ka pa rin na mag-refer ng tao. Tuloy-tuloy lang yung pag-i-sponsor. Kahit marami nang nagno-know sa'yo, tuloy-tuloy mo lang. So long as you're keeping your subscription. Kasi here you subscribe and then you wait. And then you earn. Ganun lang po kasimple yan. But the key here is you wait. Kung talagang your idea is hindi ka magsusubscribe, then don't complain. Just wait. Kasi darating at darating yan. Ngayon, yung monthly matrix commission na yan, ibe-base yan dun sa force matrix natin. Di ba sabi ko dun sa force matrix, posibleng manggaling sa'yo. Posibleng manggaling dun sa nasa taas mo. Posible rin na manggaling dun sa napunta sa matrix mo who decided to do the business. Now, if you're not, kung hindi ka talaga nakakapag-refer ng tao, mapupuno at mapupuno yan kasi may pinanggagalingan pang iba. Like yung upline mo, yung mga tao sa taas mo. 'Di ba? Kasi ganito yan force matrix nga Una ikaw, nag-iisa ka. And then kakabitan ka ng dalawa ni system. And then titigil na yan. After that, kung halimbawa may na-spill over pa sa'yo, ang ikakabit na yan doon sa nasa ilalim mo. Una yung mga nasa kaliwa and then yung mga nasa kanan. And then titigil na kasi dalawa na yung nakabit doon sa dalawa. Remember, hanggang dalawa lang ang pwedeng makabit dito. And then your level 3, ganun din, kaliwa muna and then kanan. And then titigil na. That's your level 3. And then level 4 na. 16. Dire-diretso yan all the way to level 15. Bakit? Here in the matrix commission, you get paid up to level 15 depending on our ranks. Okay? Earn up to 25 cents. Earn 25 cents from every subscriber in your matrix even if they are spillover. That means whether galing sa'yo, galing dun sa tao nasa taas mo, or trabaho ng mga tao na punta dun sa matrix mo, kikita at kikita ka ng 25 cents. O baka nalilitan ka sa 25 cents, pakita ko lang sa iyo yung pinaka-itsura ng matrix. Okay, let's say for example, ikaw yan, so orange man. And then all the blue men in the picture are the people in your matrix. So di ba yun nila, ano siya? Power of 2. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on. Okay? Ang maganda niyan, lahat yan, ang dami niyan eh. Ang daming mapupunta sa matrix mo. And if you multiply 25 cents, lumalaki ngayon yung 25 cents. Let me show you. Okay. Sige, ayan. Levels 1 to 12. 1 to 15 pala. Si levels 1 to 15, depending on your rank, di ba? Kung talagang unrank ka, meaning wala ka na-refer dito or iisa lang yung na-refer mo, hanggang level 12 ka lang babayaran. But the moment you become bronze or silver, you get to enjoy up to level 13. Pag gold or platinum ka, you get to enjoy up to level 14. And when you become diamond, ikaw lang mag-enjoy up to level 15. Alright? Ayan. So level power of 2, 2, 4, 8, 16, yan yung number of people in each level. Magkano yung kikitain mo dyan? You earn for every person na magsusubscribe ng 9.95, di ba? Meron kang 25 cents. Pag unrank ka, you get to enjoy up to level 12. Okay, magkano yan? Ang pinaka-maximum dyan, kasi pag napuno na po yan, aabot ng 8,190 people in your matrix times 25 cents. That's a total of $2,047.50. Yan yung sinasabi namin ditong you can earn up to 2,000 even without enrolling a single soul to the program. But why would you want that? Why would you settle for that? When actually, when you just, pag nakasponsor ka nga lang na isa, may $25 ka na eh. Tapos gagawin mo, maghihintay ka sa matrix mo ng isa para makakuha ng 25 cents. Di ba? Maghanap ka na lang ng tao. Share Live Good to as many as you can. Rank up. Kasi pag naging bronze or silver ka, up to level 13 ka na, aabot na ng 4,000 yung kita mo. Kasi yung tao sa ilalim mo, nadagdagan na uli. Di ba? And then pag nag-gold or platinum ka, up to level 14 ka na, umaabot na ng 8,000, 9,000 yung kita mo dyan. Ang maganda nito, pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to level 15. Your income reaches to $16,000. That's 900,000 pesos monthly income. So ano mas gusto mo? $16,000 or $2,000? Diba? Eh sa $2,000, maghihintay ka ng matagal dyan. Dito, since you're doing the business, mabilis ka magra-rank up. Mabilis mo makukuha yung mga matrix commission na yan. Don't settle for spillovers. Actually, be a spillover creator by sponsoring people in the program. Okay? Eh, paano kung talagang hindi makakuha? Talagang wala talagang makuha, hindi talaga makasponsor. Diba? You mean I'm going to wait? Gaano katagal yan? I don't know. It can be a year, 3 years, 5 years. Ano yun? 5 years, bayad lang ako ng bayad, wala naman ako natatanggap. Hindi po. Kasi dito, mabigyan ka lang ng isa, bibigyan ka na ng 25 cents. So pag nakadalawa ka na sa matrix mo, that's 50 cents. Just imagine, pag may 40 people na in your matrix, you're already receiving $10. And when you start receiving $10, that means yung income mo na pinambabayad mo dun sa monthly subscription mo. Okay? But just let me show you kung talagang if it's worth the wait. Okay? Let's say for example, 12 months, 1 year. 1 year bago napuno yung 8,100 or yun napuno yung matrix mo. That means you've paid $9.95 12 times. That's a total of $119.40. Magkano yan in peso? 6,724. Eh magkano kikitain mo pag puno na yung matrix mo? $2,047.50. So it's worth the wait. Diba? Kasi 100,000 pesos yan eh. O 3 years, naging mabagal yung takbo ng pagpuno ng matrix mo, inabot kang 3 years. Magkano lumabas sa'yo? $358.20. Magkano yan in peso? 20,172. Eh, ang kikitain mo, $2,047 na. That's 100,000 peso mahigit. So it's worth the wait. O 5 years na talaga bago napuno yung matrix mo. That's 60 months. Magkano yung lumabas sa'yo? $597 lang. Magkano kinikita mo? $2,047. In peso, yung 597, that's around 33,000 pesos. Pero yung kinikita mo, 100,000 pesos. And it's worth the wait. Sabi ko nga kanina, magkaroon ka lang ng 40 dito, yung pang-subscribe mo, kukunin mo na dun sa income mo, di ba? Sa matrix. So, talagang hindi mo kailangan ilabas tong ganitong amount kasi nga it would be self-paying already in time. Okay? Ngayon, kung ayaw mo maghintay, eto lang po gawin mo. Simple lang po. Ang gagawin mo lang, instead of just waiting, you just find 2. Dalawa lang po. Find 2, help 2 to get 2, then repeat. Yun lang po yung key dito. Okay, let's say for example, nakahanap ka lang ng dalawa, tapos yung dalawa, tinulungan mo maghanap ng dalawa. And you're doing this weekly. Okay? Kasi nga, kuha ka dalawa para mabawi mo next week yung ano mo, yung $49.95 mo. So this is what will happen to your organization. On day 1, ikaw pa lang. Kumuha ka ng dalawa. That's your first week. Yung dalawa mo, kumuha ng dalawa. So nadagdagan ka ng 4. Yung 4, kumuha ng dalawa. Ang tanong, sino nagturo dun sa 4 kumuha ng dalawa? Yung 2 kinuha mo na. Hindi na ikaw. Okay? So kumuha ng dalawa, nadagdagan ng 8, nadagdagan ng 16, 32, 64. On the 12th week pa lang po, umabot na ng 8,190 people in your matrix. That means you start earning $2,047.50 matrix commission. Alright? Now, since bronze ka na, kasi nakapag-successfully refer ka ng dalawa, up to level 13 ka na. On the 13th week, yun na po yung hinihintay yung matrix income nyo. Umaabot na po ng $4,095.50. Eh, ginawa mo yung sinabi ko, get to, help to, repeat. Meaning, after helping the other 2 to get their own 2, kumuha ka uli ng bagong dalawa. Kumuha ka uli ng bagong dalawa. Paulit-ulit mong ginawa kumuha ng bagong dalawa. Ano ang mangyayari sa'yo? Mag-rank up ka na mag-rank up, magiging diamond ka. Remember, ang diamond gets to enjoy up to level 15 of the matrix. On the 15th week pa lang po, puno na. Or mas maaga pa kasi nire-repeat mo yung cycle. Mas maaga pa mapupuno yung matrix mo. Or in this example, on the 15th week pa lang po, puno na yung matrix mo. Meaning, ang hinihintay mo ng matrix income, umaabot na ng 900,000 pesos. Alright? Kung kayo namamangha na dyan sa kitang yan, I'm telling you, mas mamamangha kayo dito sa susunod. Yung tinatawag naming matching bonus. Kasi sa matching bonus po, ito yung magtutupad ng pangarap mo. Remember yung sinabi ko kanina, this is going to be a combination of both the unilevel and the force matrix. Ano po ba yan? Remember, pag nag-join ka rito, you become an affiliate member, you start referring people, you successfully refer people here in the program, that means that's your level 1. Lahat din po sila, magkakaroon sila ng sarili nilang matrix. Meaning, magkakaroon din sila ng sarili nilang matrix income. Parang ikaw, nung nagkaroon ka ng tao sa matrix mo, you started earning in your matrix income. Same with them. Ang maganda nito, since ikaw yung directly nakapag-refer sa kanila, ima-match ni LiveGood kung magkano man yung marireceive nila sa matrix income nila, ima-match ni LiveGood ng 50% para ibigay sa'yo as matching bonus. Alright? Eh, unlimited yung pwede mong ma-refer dito eh. Kaya nga talagang infinite wide eh. So, refer as many as you can. So, in this example, for example, sorry. In this example, nakakuha ka ng 4 na tao. Si A, B, C, tsaka si D. Oh, ang gaganda ng pangalan nila. Si A nagtrabaho, nagsipag. Umabot na ng $1,000 yung kanyang matrix income. Matatanggap ni A ng buo yung $1,000. And since ikaw ang nag-refer kay A, bibigyan ka or ima-match ni LiveGood yung $1,000 niya with 50%, ima-match niya $500 at yung $500 na yan, ibibigay sa'yo. Alright? Si B, 500 na yung matrix income, may 250 ka. Si C, nakaka-100 na, may 50 ka pa. And then si D, nakaka-200 in his matrix, may $100 ka pa. Alright? Now, importante rin dito mag-rank up. Ako, paulit-ulit ako dito, mag-rank up kayo. Continuously refer people, teach them to do the same. Repeat para mag-rank up kayo. Bakit? Because when you rank up to silver, gold, platinum, or diamond, you get to enjoy generation bonuses na. Ano yan? That means meron ka pang additional doon sa 50% mo, kikita ka pa dun sa mga matrices ng mga nasa ilalim nila, ng mga generation, mga people in their organization. In fact, when you become diamond, you get to enjoy up to 23% on the first generation kasi meron kang 10% silver, 5% gold, 5% platinum, and 3% diamond. Diba? Pag silver ka pangalan, you get to enjoy up to second generation silver na eh. Pag nag-gold ka, up to third generation gold. Pag nag-platinum ka, up to fourth generation. Pag nag-diamond ka, you get to enjoy up to the fifth generation. Right? Ganyan po kalaki ang matching bonus dito sa Live Good. Ito pong matching bonus na to ang makakatupad ng mga pangarap nyo. If you don't believe me, I believe you will believe this. Puro believe, ano? If you don't believe me, look at this. This is an actual earning breakdown of one of our coaches. So, before I show any actual earnings, nag-ano po ako, nagdi-disclaimer ako. Number one po, hindi porkit kinita ng coach natin to, kikitain mo rin. In fact, you can actually earn even more or less. Depende po dun sa effort. Remember, we are being paid. Sa simula, we will be paid according to the effort we put in. Alright? Ito po, talagang tinrabaho niya si Live Good. And look at this. Yung matrix income niya from June 1 to June 30 was $1,388 na. Meaning, ganun na karami yung tao sa matrix niya. But look at the matching bonus. Times 12. Kasi yung matching bonus niya umabot ng 12,367. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin yan, ang dami niyan direct sponsor. At yung mga direct sponsor niya decided to do the business as well. Nag-sponsor din sila ng maraming tao. Kaya lumaki ng ganyan yung matching bonus niya. Alright? Tapos diamond na rin siya dyan, kaya meron na siyang diamond pool. I-discuss ko pa lang siya, meron na. Diba? Nung July po, this is another example. Nung July, he or she received $1,299.50, pero yung matching niya, $44,000. My gosh. Ganun po kalaki yung matching compared to matrix. And ang matching bonus, may enjoy lang yan ng mga taong nagre-refer continuously. Lalaki po yan talaga kung continuously nagre-refer kayo. If only you can see this, talagang hindi na kayo hindi magre-refer eh. Talagang isi-share nyo si Live Good sa mga kilala nyo, sa maraming tao. Alright? Yan po, kaya nga sinabi ko, ang matching bonus ang makakatupad sa inyong mga pangarap. So paano magkaroon ng matching bonus? The key is, refer. Mag-sponsor kayo ng maraming tao. Gaano karami? O sige, bigyan ko kayo example. And I'm just going to compute the 50%. Let's say, for example, you have 20 directs. And all of your 20 directs decided na maghintay lang din. Diba? Ngayon, ang nangyayari ngayon, napuno yung matrix nila. Time will come, let's say, after 5 years, napuno yung matrix nila. Each of them receiving 2,047 in their matrix. Diba? Kasi unranked sila. 50% sa'yo, that's $1,023.75. 20 sila, that's $20,475. Meaning, you're receiving a matching income of 1,146,000 pesos monthly just by having 20 directs na hindi pa nag-rank up. They remained unranked. Alright? So 20 pa lang yan. What if maging 30 yan? Tapos this time, lahat yung mga some of them decided to do the business, 'di ba? Nag-refer din sila ng tao. On the average, all of them are earning $6,000 in their matrix, 50% sa'yo, that's 3,000, 30 sila. That's $90,000 monthly income. Magkano yan in peso? 5 million pesos po yan, monthly income. Kaya nga sabi ko, ito yung tutupad sa mga pangarap mo. In fact, with 5 million, hindi lang pangarap mo yung matutupad, pati pangarap ng pamilya mo. Lahat ng mga pangarap ng mga anak mo, matutupad na. Kasi monthly income po yan eh. Hindi yan one time lang binaabot. Alright? So for those talaga na makukuha mo, meron at meron kasi directly sasabihin sa'yo, sasali ako pero pagbibigyan lang kita, don't expect me to do the business ha. Humingi na lang kayo ng pabor. Sige, tanggapin mo siya pero sabihin mo, ganito gawin mo. Ipasok mo yung dalawang family mo, either yung anak mo tsaka yung asawa mo. Pasok mo. Okay? Now, this is what will happen. Unang-una, magiging bronze siya. So, yung matrix income niya, magiging 4,095 na. Yung dalawang family member niya, each of them will be receiving $2,047.50 pag napuno yung matrix nila kasi unranked sila. Times 2, that's a total of $4,095. Now, may 50% ka doon. Magkano yun? That's another $2,047.50. So pag kinumbine mo lahat, pag in-add mo lahat yan, yung total family income nila, just by adding the two family member, reach up to $10,238. That's a total of 573,000 pesos monthly income. Pag nangyari to, pasasalamatan ka ng kaibigan mo kasi instead na $2,047.50 lang yung kinikita niya, which is around 100,000 pesos monthly lang, ginawa mong 10,200. Ginawa mong 500, ginawa mong kalahating milyon, lagpas kalahating milyon. O, di ba? Now, meron tayong vision dito. Actually, this vision was initiated by our dear Coach Fernand Santiago. And our vision here in this Dreammaker Worldwide is to have 100 solid direct referrals. What does that mean? 100 solid direct, meaning meron kang 100 direct referral and each of your direct referral will become diamond. Just like you. Kung ang goal mo is to become diamond here in Live Good, lahat sila, ganun din yung gusto, maging diamond din. And time will come, magiging diamond sila. Okay, I'm not saying kinabukasan na or a month after or after a year. Maybe after 5 years, after 2 years, naging diamond silang lahat. Diba? You have 100 diamond direct referral. Magkano kinikita ng diamond sa matrix? 16,383.50. Magkano 50% nun? $8,191. Times 100 direct referrals. You're actually receiving $819,000 monthly income. That's a total of 45 million pesos month after month after month after month after month after month after month. Bakit po tuloy-tuloy yan? Kasi tuloy-tuloy nang magbabayad ng $9.95 subscription yung mga members eh. Because they're receiving the value as a member of Live Good. Diba? Ano yung value na yon? Yung discounted, yung members price ng mga products. Or if they're an affiliate, yan. Yung mga matrix income na yan. They get to earn money. They get to earn from subscription. Kaya nga importante po dito yung nag-rank up. And the only way to rank up is to have direct referral, continuous direct referral. Now, I'm going to show you a simple way to rank up. Yung pinakita ko kanina, get to, teach them to get to, and then repeat. Gawin nyo lang 3. Kasi di ba dun sa rank na pinakita ko how to rank up, parating merong magpo-promote ka ng 3 tao. To become gold, you need 3 silvers. To become platinum, you need 3 golds. To become diamond, you need 3 platinum. So, gawin mo ng 3. Get 3, teach them to get 3. Ito mangyayari na sa organization nyo. Kung weekly mangyayari yon, on the 7th week pa lang, diamond ka na po. Kasi yung organization mo, umaabot na ng 3,279 people in your organization. And you only need 2,500 to become diamond. On the 10th week, crown diamond ka na. Diba? Kasi 50,000 lang yung kailangan to become crown diamond. On the 11th week, wala pa pong 3 buwan, umaapaw na yung matrix mo. If this happens weekly, O sige, pagpalagay na natin hindi weekly mangyari yan. Monthly nangyari yan. 1 taon po, umaapaw yung matrix nyo. And all you did was get 3, teach them to get 3. And then teach them to teach those 3 to get 3. Basta ma-duplicate lang kayo. Kung ano yung ginawa nyo, pag ginawa ng mga na-sponsor nyo rito, at ginawa ng mga na-sponsor nila, yung ginawa ng na-sponsor nila, duplication is the key. Alright? Once you're able to duplicate yourself, life would be a lot better for you here in DevGod. Alright? So why do I want you to become diamond? Why do I want to become diamond? Because every diamond receives a bonus pool or tinatawag namin profit sharing. Kasi yung total sales from all membership, product sales, is kukuha ng 2%. Yung total sales ng LiveGod, not only the Philippines, global yan sales sa Japan, sa US, sa Philippines, magsasama-samahin ni LiveGod, kukurot lang ng 2%. And sama-sama yan membership, affiliate, pati yung mga product sales, kukuha si LiveGod ng 2% tapos paghahati-hatian ng mga diamond. And I'm telling you, we have over 60 diamonds globally right now. Pero on the average, they're receiving $4,000 as their diamond pool. Ganyan po kalaki yung diamond pool na yan. And this is a true passive income. Kasi wala na silang kinalaman dyan. Kita na ng company yan. Sinishare na lang sa kanila. Di ba? And what ka titigil sa pagiging diamond? Mag-crown diamond ka pa. Kasi si crown diamond will still receive 0.5% additional. When I say additional, meron na silang share dun sa 2%. Meron pa silang additional na 0.5%. And right now po, we only have 2 crown diamonds in the whole world. And I'm telling you, grabe po. Just imagine, let's say for example na lang, LiveGod earned $10 million. Magkano yung 0.5% niyan? That's $50,000. Dalawa lang silang naghahati. Magkano sila, each of them? Kayo na po mag-compute. Ganyan po kalaki ang value na marireceive nyo when you rank up all the way to Crown Diamond. Ang good news ko sa inyo, lahat ng Diamond at Crown Diamond ngayon, they all started as an affiliate member just like you and me. What does that mean? That means we are already qualified to become Crown Diamonds kasi na-meet na natin yung first qualification. Tayong lahat ay isang affiliate member. Ano na lang gagawin natin? Gawin na lang natin yung ginawa nila. At ang maganda nito, lahat po yung mga diamonds, the Filipino diamonds, they're willingly sharing what they did in order for them to become diamonds. I-duplicate na lang po natin sila. Now, if you're not yet an affiliate member, you have to become one. And to help you decide, ito po, top 4 reason to join. We just officially launched December 2022 when we started. Pero grabe yung natin, yung growth natin. We are now at 780,000 paid members globally. Wala pa tayong 11 months. 10 months pa lang tayong tumatakbo. Umabot na tayo ng almost 800,000. Kaya napakagandang position po ngayon. We are calling this the pillar stage kasi we're just forming the foundation. We're not even having the pioneer stage. And then number 2, high quality products, very affordable health products. We're starting with health products pero I'm telling you, padamit po ng padamian. Number 3, marketing system tools and trainings. And this is the one of the tools that you could actually abuse. Instead of explaining to your prospect ano si LiveGod, just send them here. Send them sa Zoom link. Kami magpe-present, kami mag-explain, kami magko-close kanino yung account sa inyo. Alright? Plus, meron tayong mga trainings both international and local. All you need to do is plug yourself in. And then isa pa, a simple, powerful, lucrative, and very, very, very generous pay plan. Imagine, wala po kayong company makikita na nagbibigay ng 85% ng income nila binabalik sa kanilang mga affiliate members. Dito lang po sa LiveGod nangyayari yan. Right? Now, we are just on the tip of the iceberg. So it is really perfect timing for you to join Live Good now. And if you're already a member, don't let go. Huwag mo nang pag-isipang itigil yung subscription mo. Bakit? Kasi nakaposition ka na. What you're seeing right now, phenomenal as it is, 780,000 members, napakaliit pa po niyan compared sa future ni Live Good. Yes, I'm telling you, napakaliit pa po niyan compared sa future ni Live Good because we are meant to grow big. We are really meant to grow in millions. Yung 1 million na prediction, maaabot po natin yan by December. And pag na-breach na natin yung 1 million, andali na pong mag 10 million, andali na pong mag 100 million. Kung ngayon nandito ka, 780,000 pa lang, imaginein mo yung buhay mo. Pag 10 million na yung paid members, pag 100 million na yung paid members, pag parang Netflix na tayo, umabot na ng 200 plus million members, paid members. Asan ka na nun? Pag bumitaw ka, babalik ka uli sa simula. Kaya if you're already an affiliate member, don't let go of your position. Pay your subscription religiously, monthly. If you're not yet an affiliate member, be an affiliate member right now. Okay? Pero hindi ko kayo pipilitin. In fact, tatanungin ko kayo, what's next? You have 3 options. The choice will be yours. It's your decision to make. We're just here to guide you, make your decision. Number 1, letter A, I'm in. Yes, go. Sali ako dyan. Gustong-gusto ko. Nakita ko yung value and I'm willing to do the business. Letter B, I'm okay. I just want to use the product at member's price. Then be a member. Just pay the $9.95 monthly subscription. Pwede naman po yan. Or letter C, you'll say, no thanks. I just want to buy the products in retail. Okay lang din po yun. You ask for the shop link dun sa person na nag-invite sa'yo. Okay po yan kasi decision nyo. But you have to remember this. Lahat po ng yung life natin ngayon is actually a result of the decisions we made in the past. Now, if there is something you want to change in your life right now, like if you want your finances to be better, if you want to have more time with your family, if you want to have a better life, something has to change. You have to make a decision right now so that your future, something that can create your future would be a future of great finances, a future of time with your family. Okay? Pero again, decision nyo po yan. Pero just, let me help you again because this can be you today. Baka overwork ka, underpaid, financially unsecured. Or pwede kang, you're well paid kaso wala kang time. Problema mo, time. O pwede ring OFW ka, nangungulila ka sa family mo. Diba? Or retired ka na, or retiring na. Just think about what awaits you in your retirement. Now, we're giving you an option to do Live Good today. Kaya kayo nandito, kaya kayo in-invite dito so that you would be open to the opportunity we have received, to the value we have received. Just imagine if you do Live Good today, where will you be in the coming years? Kasi ito nakita ko na po I just want to show this to you. Nakita ko na po doon sa ibang mga naging diamond na, even mga naging platinum lang, even mga naging gold pa lang their lives are starting to change. Okay? They have more income than bills at the end of each month. Hindi na sila natatakot kay Judith tsaka kay Juna. Kasi nababayaran nila sila bago pa mag-due. Di ba? You'll have more time spent with your family and friends, definitely. Because you'll have time freedom here. And you'll have freedom to work when, where, and with whom you choose. You get to choose kung sino yung gusto mong dalhin dito. Hindi ka mapipilitan. Diba? And kung saan mo gusto magtrabaho, where do you want to do the business? Diba? You want to do the business in Japan? Do! Go! In Las Vegas? Go! Online tayo walang problema doon. Ito pinakamaganda. One of the most beautiful things is to have a life without debt. Kasi it's going to be stress-free life, worry-free life. And when you have no debt, you'll have extra money to give. You'll have extra resources for giving. Diba? Which is something beautiful. You can take vacation as often as you want. Sabi ko nga, mag-ramen ka sa Japan. Di ba? Pwede. Mag-coffee ka sa Italy. Pwede. Now, that's what Live Good is offering you. That kind of life is what Live Good is offering you. And ibang-iba po si Live Good sa iba. Kumbaga yung ibang company, they're offering this as well pero napatako sila. With Live Good, it's different. Kasi sa Live Good po, meron tayong tinatawag na pwede kang kumita. Kahit halimbawa hindi ka makapag-refer. Pero pag nag-refer ka and you really do the business, yayaman at yayaman ka. Mababago po yung buhay nyo sa Live Good because Live Good is the vehicle that can change your life for the better. And we're offering that opportunity to you. And whether you join us or not, this Live Good would continue moving forward. Tutuloy-tuloy lang po kami dito. Ang magiging tanong mo na lang, let's say 2 years from now, when we are already succeeding, ikaw hindi ka pa rin kasali sa Live Good. Sasabihin mo na lang, sayang, dapat pala 2 years ago sumali na ako. Diba? But if you make a decision to join us right now, to join Live Good right now, ang sasabihin mo, buti na lang sumali ako. Okay? But that decision has to be made by you. Not by me, not by the one who invited you, but by you. So make the right one. Make the right one and create a brighter future for you, for your family, and for the people around you. Pati na rin doon sa mga taong dadalhin mo dito sa Live Good. Alright? So thank you very much. It has been my pleasure to share with you this business presentation. I hope you really found value.